Please know how very much we appreciate your support of these concerts. And as I stated at our last show, these programs actually began in the 1936-37 season that continues to bring world-class music to the Beaver Valley through Live on Stage in Nashville, Tennessee. Now you will see that we have listed on the back of your program the next season. So quickly, let's review because we do have many new members here tonight for our program. Show number 1, September 29th, a band called Honolulu, which is a folk band that's going to celebrate the life and music of Peter, Paul, and Mary. Show number 2, October 29th, Radio Recall, which is a pop rock duo who have performed on national and international stages. Then we take our standard winter break. Now, show number 3 is August of 27. I'm sorry, I apologize. Thank you for correcting me. I'm a retired teacher. You're allowed to correct me. Thank you for correcting me. I stand apologetic. Okay, August.
No, April. What do you have going on in
See,
August?
this is what happens when you've had a stroke. Okay. April of 27, Yaniv Zarif. He is a comedy vocalist and polyglot. So he uses multiple languages with proficiency. He is a one-man United Nations on stage. And then show number 4, on May the 3rd, Jimmy Ross and the Jaggers, which will be fabulous. We had him here as a guest at our last show, a legend with a rock band from Pittsburgh. So that's in your program insert. Now, you notice in the program that we have it listed. If you would like to be added to our mailing list to receive a brochure with all the details about the Beaver Valley Community Concert Association, you will see on the way out a basket or a type of container. Now, this is only if you are not already on our mailing list. So I want to be very clear and specific. If you are already a seasoned subscriber, you're going to get a brochure in the mail. But if you would like to be added, maybe you're a guest here tonight, or you have a friend or a business owner that you know would like to be added to our list, this is your opportunity. We put it in the program as an insert tonight. Fill it out with your name, address, phone number, etc. And we would love to see some new businesses and some new people join us. All right, so let's get right to why we're here tonight, friends. And by the way, we will not be taking an intermission tonight. Now, Donna Groom is one of Beaver County's terrific hometown celebrities, a rare and genuine musical artist who is also blessed with perfect pitch and has been singing with the Skyliners for almost 45 years. You can read about her and the other 3 fabulous members, John, Jimmy, and Paul. We have all the biographical information and even their little pictures in the program for you. You're going to absolutely be singing and melting right there in your seat with the legacy of the Skyliners who will continue for many years to come. So without any further ado, put your hands together and give a warm welcome to Donna